Wall Street shrugs at new import taxes.
You are busy with your job, family, and the things that make you happy. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan. Take just a few minutes with me each week as I give you an overview of the economy, markets, and the things that can have a real impact on your life savings. Subscribe now and spend more time on the things most important to you.
Well, the Trump administration is following through on its pledge to impose tariffs on metals imported from Mexico, Canada, and the European Union. And all those trading partners are responding in kind. Incipient trade war or not, investors felt confident last week. Confident enough to send the NASDAQ composite another 1.62% higher in 4 days. The S&P 500 added almost 0.5% in those 4 trading sessions, but the Dow Jones Industrials Average fell almost 0.5% last week. Their respective Friday settlements, the Dow at 24,635, the NASDAQ at 7554, and the S&P 500 at 2734. Net job growth surprised to the upside in May. Companies added 223,000 more workers than they laid off or fired. At 3.8%, the unemployment rate is now where the Federal Reserve thought it would be at the end of 2018, and it is also at its lowest level since April of 2000. Underemployment, as measured by the Department of Labor's U6 jobless rate, fell 0.2% in May to a 17-year low of 7.6%. Year-over-year wage growth was measured at 2.7% in this latest labor market snapshot. In another sign of a strong economy, the Department of Commerce said that consumer spending grew by a noteworthy 0.6% in April, with consumer incomes rising 0.3%. The Conference Board's closely watched Consumer Confidence Index improved to 128 in May, rising 2.4 points from its April mark. Analysts polled by MarketWatch expected a reading of 127.5. Well, growth picked up in U.S. manufacturing last month, according to the Institute for Supply Management's May Purchasing Manager Index. At an impressive reading of 58.7, the PMI was 1.4 points better than it was in April and matched its average reading over the past 12 months. The index has not been below 56.5 for a year. Any reading above 50 indicates expansion. All right, looking ahead at this week, Monday, today, Apple is kicking off its week-long 2018 Developer Conference. Tomorrow, the ISM Service Sector PMI appears. Wednesday, we have some earnings reports. And then Thursday, Wall Street reviews the latest initial jobless claims data and some more earnings. Wrapping up the week on Friday, there's nothing major scheduled. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you'd prefer to read the transcript each week, you can subscribe to that at www.erichagan.pro. Also, if you'd like to get financially organized, head on over to nocostfinancialdashboard.com and take control of your financial future. Lastly, if you want to find out if you're invested right, visit getinvestedright.com right now. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you